Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and confirming your app is updated. This prevents missing new emoji. Once done, choose the exact placement: bio, post caption, comment, story sticker, or a direct message. Make sure your device's emoji keyboard is enabled in settings, or install a trusted emoji keyboard if you need extra icons. You're starting now. Tap the text field, switch to emoji keyboard, and select one to test so you confirm display and spacing before you continue. You're composing content. Think about how emoji change tone and meaning. Use them to emphasize verbs or feelings and sometimes replace short words like and or love. This reduces visual clutter and speeds reading. Once you have a draft, insert emoji near keywords, then preview to check line breaks and spacing. Captions have a 200-character limit and bio is 150 characters. Make sure emoji don't break hashtags or mentions, and adjust placement to keep readability. You're ready to publish. Preview the post, story, or message and view it on another device or browser to ensure emoji render consistently. If an emoji appears as a blank box or question mark, update your device OS or the app. Often older systems lack the newest emoji. Once done, replace problematic emoji with a common alternative or plain text to preserve meaning. If issues persist, copy the emoji into a note app to test, then retry posting after updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.